Hello everyone, welcome to 𝐁𝐢𝐭𝐜. In today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw from your DiagnosUs account. Recently I did a video about this DiagnosUs and I show people how you can make a lot of money from this app. So in today's video I want to do a withdrawal video. I want to do a live withdrawal of how you can withdraw your money from the DiagnosUs app to your PayPal account or your bank. So without wasting my time, let me go to the app. But if you are new to this app, you can download the app for your app store. The app only works for iPhone. It's an iPhone app, not an Android, so you can't use it on Android. So if you are new to this platform, you just search for the DiagnosUs account. Search for the DiagnosUs app. So I have already installed my app. And they are asking me to update because there's a new version there. Okay, so let me go to my app. This is the DiagnosUs. So I'll click on the app to open. Okay, so in the app you can contest. There's a lot of things to do. Basically it's made for medical health students, but if you're not a medical health student, you can also learn to make money. I'm not a medical health student, but at least I do some 1 or 2 things online there to make some money. So let me do the withdrawal for you guys to see how it works. Okay, so to do your withdrawal, you have to click on this. Okay, so I have $10.20 and ready to withdraw. So you can click on the help to set up your payment method if you haven't done so. So I'll click on the help. Then I'll click on update payment method. Okay, so they pay to PayPal and bank. And as you can see, I've already set up my account already. I've set up my PayPal account. So I can withdraw to my PayPal because my PayPal is very active. Okay, so let me go. To withdraw your money from this app, you have to click on the Get Paid. So let me click on the Get Paid. Okay, so ready to withdraw. Estimated fee for this withdrawal is $0.00. After fee, your withdrawal amount will be $10.20. Do you want to proceed? So I'll click on the proceed with withdrawal to proceed. Okay, so let me rate them 5-star. Okay, good. Okay, so a payment has been sent. So they say I should check my email account to see if I have received my amount in my pay. I just received the notification that I've withdrawn this $10 to my account. So let me go to my email, then I go to my PayPal account. Okay, so this is my email account. Let me refresh and see if I receive a mail. Okay, boom, it's here. I have received the money. I've received the $10 from this app. This app is very legit and it pays you to answer questions online. So I just did the withdrawal right now and I received the money. So let me go to my PayPal account and check. Okay, so as you can see, I just received the money right now to my PayPal. As you can check the time. I made the withdrawal 6:25 p.m. and 6:27 p.m. So this is a very simple app that you can use to make money online. The app is called DiagnosUs and I have successfully made my withdrawal. So right now my amount is $0.00 and I have to answer more questions. To make a lot of money online. Like this, if you answer this, you get $1. If you answer this, you get $16. If you answer this, you get $20, $11, $10, and it keeps going. So gradually you can make a lot of money online. People has been making a lot of money online from this platform. let me go and check. Okay, so you see the number 1 rank has gotten $15,000 from this app, and it's real and legit. So you guys should participate in answering questions. You just have to learn, then you answer questions and you get paid. It's very easy and simple. So if this video helps you to make some money online, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.